Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making funnel cake at home. To begin, in a large mixing bowl, add in 2 large eggs, followed by 2 cups of whole milk. Then whisk to incorporate. Now add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a quarter of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now whisk until it turns into a batter. It should resemble a pancake batter. If it needs more milk, add in more milk, and if it needs more flour, add in more flour. You know the drill. Whisk, whisk, whisk until smooth. Once the batter is nice and smooth, then we are ready to fry. Now pour about 1 inch of oil into a cast iron skillet. Heat up the oil over medium-high heat until it reaches 375 degrees. We're using a funnel to pour the batter into the oil. That is why it's called a funnel cake. Plug the spout with your finger and lay it into about half a cup at a time. Drizzle into the hot oil in a spiral motion until all the batter has been used. You can just go around in a circle or zigzag, it doesn't really matter. Fry for about 2 minutes per side or until golden brown. Once the first side is golden brown, flip it over and fry for another 2 minutes. Once golden brown on both sides, remove from the heat and place on a plate lined with paper towels. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the batter. And to finish it off, garnish with powdered sugar or any other toppings that you prefer. There you guys have it, funnel cakes at home. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.